So today I am here because I want to convince you to start going to the gym and tell you about the benefits it has for your life. The first source I came up with was MayoClinic.com. It listed 7 benefits, and those benefits were exercise controls weight, exercise combats um, health conditions, it improves your mood, it boosts your energy, it promotes better sleep. For adults, it can help with intimacy, and it can be fun and social. The gym can help you control your weight because it prevents any excess weight gain or helps you maintain weight loss. Basically, any physical activity is better than none. Um, some of the health conditions and diseases that it combats would be strokes, type 2 diabetes, arthritis, some types of cancers, and depression. And I really want to emphasize on that depression part because for me personally, the gym was one of the places that helped me get through one of the darkest places that I've ever been in. It was during high school, and I had went through my first real heartbreak, and I was in one of the deepest, darkest places of my life. I didn't think I'd ever get over it, but going to the gym helped me better myself. It got me to the point where I was happy with my body and happy with the way I looked. And I just didn't stop going because it was a place where I could be me and control my emotions. Um, for improving the mood, going back on those benefits, you feel better after going, and it can boost your confidence and self-esteem, like it did for me. Because in general, I'm a really insecure person. Um, for my second source, I chose MedalinePlus.gov, and some of the tips that and benefits that it listed was that it helps you quit smoking. By doing this, it helps you reduce your cravings and your withdrawal symptoms. In addition to Mayo Clinic, Medline Plus also says that going to the gym helps your thinking, your learning, your judgment, and it sharpens your judgment skills as you age. It increases your chances of living longer and reduces your risk of dying early. It also talked about making it a regular routine in your life because I know that's hard for some people. Um, Basically, what it says is to make everyday activities um, more active. So, for example, taking the stairs instead of the elevator. Instead of sending an email, you walk over to your coworker and tell them what you needed to, and just by parking further away, get you more physical activity. So for my last source, I chose the CDC, and it talked about overcoming different barriers people have about going to the gym, such as lack of time, lack of energy, lack of motivation, and fear of injury, and even social support. So if you don't have that much time, find a time that's available that works for you. Just set aside 30 minutes to walk, jog, run, do whatever. For social support, talk to your friends and family about it. Invite them with you. I always like having somebody with me when I work out because they can push me. They can just push me to be better if I don't feel like I'm pushing myself. If you don't have a lack of energy, schedule a time to where you feel more energetic and convince yourself that you want to go and that you want to be better. For lack of motivation, just plan ahead. Make yourself go, like I said. And even before that, invite somebody. If you yourself can't get motivated, have them help you get motivated. If you have a fear of injury, this is a good time to learn how to warm up, stretch, and cool down before, during, and after a gym routine. And of course, there are other barriers as well. But today I've talked to you about going to the gym and the benefits it has for your life and why you should go. So it's now time for you to start bettering yourself. Go grind it out, and I'll see you there.